Welcome back to the channel. I'm going to be trialing my new Ego Power Hedge trimmer. It is got a 26-inch blade and a 56-volt battery. This Power Hedge trimmer will last for 1 hour on a charged battery. For the average homeowner, 1 hour of hedge pruning at a time is probably about enough. This Power Hedge trimmer weighs approximately 6.8 pounds. If you're interested in seeing me use this hedge trimmer, stay tuned and I'll show that right now. Year 3 of Privet, very early August. I haven't pruned yet, but it looks pretty good. It's pretty tall. It needs to be pruned. I'm trying to find a good shot, but I think this is as good as any. So where I would have pruned last year would have been here, where you can see it's kind of solid growth. And that's all this year's growth. So what happens is when you prune, it gets really thick. It puts on additional growth. Don't know if this will show up on screen, but the cut I would have made, or the prune I would have made last year, is down here. And then it put on this primary growth and then 36 to 48 inches of new growth. And I really need to come in and prune it again. And then what will happen is I'll probably cut it off here, we'll see, and then it'll fill this in as well. So I am going to trim the hedge without putting the strings up. I'm just going to get it close. I'm going to go along the sides first. I'm going to walk backwards along the hedge line, and then I'll come back over and prune the top. So let's give it a go and see how it works. Right now I will do the inside of the hedge line. My goal is to keep it a little bit wider at the bottom and narrower at the top. Some of these branches are starting to get a little bit wider, so I just wanted to kind of see how it cut. Now I'm going to trim the top of it off, kind of keeping it as kind of high as I can hold it. Because I'm walking downhill, it's going to be a little bit downhill, but it should be pretty good. So I'm 5 feet, so that's basically where it's at. And then next year I'll have to have a ladder and prune a little section at a time. My goal is to get this to 7 foot tall, which will equal the height of the grapevine fence. Yeah. So I'm going to come down along this line. What's nice is that if you want to hold it with your right hand or left hand, it seems to do well either way. You can turn it on its side. It just does really well. fairly light, but when you hold your arms above your head, so as you can see, that worked really well. If this video is helpful, give us a thumbs up so YouTube knows to share this content with others. Also consider subscribing so you don't miss any of our other great videos. If you like how-to videos, check this playlist next. Thanks for stopping by. Have a great day.